Everyone, this is Kijo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin yung reaction video, ang opening prod ng Born for This, ang concert ni Jessica Villarubin, Thea Asley, and of course, Chloe Redondo. Ang tanong ng bayan at ang tanong ng buong bansa, sino ang may dalang afam na may flower for today's video? Charis! Sorry, hindi ko talaga napigilan. Maning Jessica, ilabas ang jowa for today's video. Ang gwapo ng jowa, dear baby boy. Mapapakanta ka na lang talaga ng baby boy, on my mind, yan, a fantasy, ganun. Ganun ang atake. Pero wala tayo dito para mag-chismis, okay? Gawa natin ng reaction video ang kanilang opening prod, which is the Survivor and Believer. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Mega love shoutout sa the team, the A-Team official, which is yung fan base ni Thea Asley. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Let's check it out. What the Divas of the Queendom has to offer for today's video. Go. Atake. Ay. Okay. Sige nga. Ay. Pak, ganun ang atake. Lakihan natin para makita. Ay, bongga. Sino yung binubuhat? Ang mga dancer pala. Akala ko naman mga the Divas of the Queendom na natin ang binubuhat. Mapapasana all ka na lang talaga. Charis! Sana all talaga, Jessica. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, maling Jessica. Go! Atake. Oh my God, nasigawan. Ay, andun pala siya. Ay. Si Thea. Ay! Wait, hindi ako magkanda, mama. Ay! Nagpagupit si Jessica? Ay, hindi pala. Ay, atake ang opening prod. Yes! Hi! Oh, sarap! Ay, tatay! Thea Asley, gabi. Alam mo, one thing that I really love about Thea Asley talaga kasi napaka-angelic ng face niya, and aside from angelic ng face niya, ang angas niyang mag-perform. Sa totoo lang, sobrang maangas talaga siya mag-perform talaga. Oh. Grabe. Talaga ba? Ay, slay talaga si Manang Jessica. Iba na talagang inspired. Chares! Ganda ng, ang ganda ng tunog. Okay. What was that? Hoy! Wait. Oh, Chloe. Oh! Yeah! Mami, pasabog! Pasabog, mami! Proud na proud siguro yung parents si Jessica nung... Nanood ba? Yes! Ay! May ganyang atake sila, mami. Wow! Hoy, ang ganda! Dear, ang ganda! How they ended the song. Seriously, literally, how they ended that song. Ang ganda. Dear, pasabog. Pasabog. I'm really excited. Okay, hindi ako magagawa ng ibang reaction video, kundi ito lang muna. Charis. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Ay! Pak! Oh, loko.